Namaste. Good morning, children. Yes, welcome to PE activities test. Okay. Yes, any activities test is effective of your body fitness and improve your body. Yes, any part of the body should be improved, and your this test your body fitness and how improve your body. Okay, this one is first test is the alternative hand wall toss test. This is good test for your hand and eye coordination. Hand and eye coordination. Okay, this is hand and eye coordination. This purpose of this hand and eye coordination is good for your sports, for the any activities, sports and any activities for the this effective of the your body. Okay, this one how to perform I will show you. Yes, if you need equipments for the one tennis ball and one wall. Okay, this is like this wall, and in center of the wall you can stick it on one paper, and this purpose you can, if you touch every time you can touch the ball here plus points. Okay, and here to there 30 seconds only for the 30-second test. Okay, this from wall to here 2 meter for the length. Okay, this is the activities hand eye coordination test. Okay, this how to perform I'll show you. You can 3 times you can practice. In best timings you can write down for the your score. Yes, how to perform myself I will start now. Yes, stand on the behind the water bottle, measuring for the 2 feet 2 meter. Yes, and passing for the downwards you can throw, underarm throw. Okay, underarm throw, right hand and left hand catch, and left hand throw, right hand catch, like this continuous process 30 seconds. Okay, ready children? Yes, if you need equipments, one timer and wall Okay, yes, I'll show you one time. Ready children? Yes, ready, start. 30-second timer on. Yes, ready, go on. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 start timer. Yes, yes, 30 seconds. Yes, 30 seconds. This is the way of practice alternative hand wall toss test. Okay, you can practice 30 seconds, 3 rounds you can practice. Okay, which is the best score you can collect it and write. Okay, this drop the ball, then your test is end of the test, then again restart. Okay, 30 seconds. Don't drop it the ball down. If you drop it the ball down, your test is end. That's why only you can 30 seconds and again restart. Huh? Okay, this purpose of the test your hand and eye coordination, your any example, any activities. Okay, throwing the ball. Yes, reactioning the ball for the right side to left side. Yes, how quickly your eyes and hands should be connected for the together. That is the measuring for the this activities. Okay, this, and second one more activities for the hexagon agility test. Okay, second test hexagon agility test. This is hexagon agility pattern. This hexagon agility pattern is purely aim of this test is ability to move quickly will moving and balance. Yes, maintaining the balance of purpose of the test. Okay, this one pattern is so simple for the diamond shape. Okay, this is the first part. One side here 2 feet length, 2 feet for the 2 feet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 piece. Okay, 6 pieces for the 2 feet, 2 feet. You can paper, cut it and stick it on the floor. Otherwise, take the chart piece and measuring the 2 feet for the line. Join the all the this one lines. 6 lines should be joined. This is the hexagon pattern. This how to perform, I will show you. Clockwise 1 round, anti-clockwise 1 round. This 30 seconds only. This test also 30 seconds. Your fitness of agility and coordination and balance your body should be measuring for the 30 seconds. Okay. Yes, 30 seconds. How many rounds completed? That is the measurement. Okay. Yes, I will show you one time. We can practice for the test. Myself, I will start for the test. You can watch it. Okay. Ready, children? Yes. If you need equipments, one timer and this one hexagon pattern. Ready for the hexagon pattern and timer. In middle of the stand center, I will show you first time. Yes, you can stand on the middle hexagon pattern. You can jump for the outside toes. Okay, in and out. Okay, first clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay, first clockwise. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Yes. This is 1 round. Like this, you can clockwise and anti-clockwise. You can jump. Okay. Ready, children? Yes. Okay. Ready? 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, start. Okay. Timer on. Yes. 1. Yes. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. 1 round. Yes. 2 rounds. 3 rounds. 'Don't miss that. 4 rounds. Yes. Timer 30 seconds. Clockwise and anti-clockwise 4 rounds. This is the hexagon agility test. Yes. This hexagon agility test, your fitness of your agility and coordination, balance, and how quickly you can moving your body and balance. That is the purpose of hexagon test. You can practice the score 3 times. You can practice each time. Gap for the gap 10 minutes. You can gap and then we'll start. In best of the how many times you can your score quickly fast. Okay, 30 seconds only. How many rounds? That is the fitness of your body. Okay, this is excellent is for the 5 to 6, excellent for the 6, and good is 4 to 5. Good is 4 to 5. Average is 2 to 3. Below average is 2 rounds. Okay, that is below average and poor. That is the pattern of hexagon agility test pattern. Okay, you practice and measure the your scores and sending me my WhatsApp number. Okay. Yes. Thank you, children, and carefully. Bye bye.